Okay, in this example I'm going to show you the repeat statement. There's different ways that you can use the repeat statement. I'm just going to show basically the structure of a repeat statement and one simple example. Basically it's going to be like this. I'm going to click on a button and then I'm going to display 5 values inside this reach edit over here. Okay, you could have used the for loop for this, or you could have used the while loop, but I'm going to use a repeat just to show you the structure of the repeat statement. Okay, so I want it to happen when I click on the button. So I'm going to make a variable, a local variable. Integer k. I'm going to set k to, let's make it 1. Okay, and then I'm going to start coding here. I'm going to say repeat and until. Okay, so everything between the repeat and until will be repeated until this condition, which I haven't entered yet, is true. So let's say k is equals to 6. Okay, so everything will, between this repeat and until, will repeat until that variable k is equals to 6. At the moment k, the value of k is 1. So if I run it now and I click on the button, it's going to basically go into a never-ending loop. It's going to say 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 the whole time. It's not going to go out of this repeat statement and it will be stuck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase k by 1 every time when that repeat statement is executed. Okay, I'm going to repeat it by 1, then it's going to be 1, it's going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it will be, k will be 6, and this repeat statement will end. Okay, but back to our program, we want to display that value inside our reach edit. So I'm going to say reach edit 1.lines.add to add the value of k, but k is an integer, so I need to convert it to a string. So I'm going to say int to str, and after I displayed the value 1, I'm going to increase k by 1, so now k will be 2. Is k 6? No, it's not. So it's going to go up and it's going to repeat these lines of code again until k reaches the value of 6. So let's just test our program to see whether it works correctly. Okay, so when I click on the button, this is the start repeat button, it's going to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's going to be 6. When it's 6, it's not going to go back up to repeat again. It's going to stop and jump out of this repeat statement and will then run the rest of the code. Okay, and something that you must also remember with a repeat statement, it will always run the coding at least once, because the test is at the end of your loop basically. So test is at the end. When you use a while statement, remember the test will be in the beginning of the loop. Okay, so with a repeat statement, the coding will always at least run once, because we are testing the value at the end of the loop.